This is the weather forecast video for Thursday, June the 7th, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening, complex of showers and thunderstorms across the high plains, with cloudiness extending across the southern plains along the Gulf Coast, while the northeast and the far west was fairly quiet. The watch warning map before midnight was equally so. A tornado watch over northeastern Colorado was close to expiring. Red flag warning over Utah. Freeze warnings in northeastern Nevada and the Snake River Valley of Idaho, while the rest of the nation is clear and quiet. The QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 7 o'clock, shows the heaviest amounts of rain will be across the northern tier of the country. Oklahoma and Texas eastward across the Gulf Coast. Around here, we'll see some rain, maybe. So let's take a look at this possible maybe rain with the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have a trough and some energy over the west and a broad trough over the northeast, ridge over the center part of the country, some showers and thunderstorms. The GFS wants to bring some shower and thunderstorm activity to northwestern Iowa. Could that be possible? It could, but the chances are about 10 or maybe 20% at best. And Friday, most of that will move up into Minnesota. They seem to take a lot of the rain, and they will this time too. Rain will be to our north and well to our south, and temperatures will begin to warm up as we head into the weekend here. Saturday, highs will be into the 80s and lower 90s. Heat indices approaching 100 possibly. Winds will be gusting out of the south at about 10 to 20 miles per hour, maybe a skosh higher than that. Sunday, a frontal system will be coming with some showers and maybe a thunderstorm moving into far western Iowa Sunday afternoon, but it'll be a scorcher, highs well into the 90s in some places of the state. Monday, the front eases in with some showers and thunderstorms. Cross your fingers, because this may be the best chance of rain in a while. Temperatures will be about the same, 80s to near 90 as the front moves through. Here Tuesday, temperatures will cool off into the lower 80s. The rain will be to our north and east, and will be clearing out with northwesterly winds behind that frontal system. Heading into Wednesday, will be clear and highs in the around 80, maybe low mid 80s with the frontal system across the east and across the south. A week from today, on the 14th, we have pretty much a west-east flow with a ridge over the south. And with that, there will be some shower and thunderstorm activity along the east coast. Another system to our north, Minnesota, getting all the rain again. And a bit of activity across the northern tier of the country as well. Here it looks to remain dry. And this doesn't look good a couple of days later on the 19th. We don't like this. A 588 ridge centered right over Iowa. Doesn't that seem to be great? That means heat and humidity. Could there be a shower or storm? There could be, but cross your fingers. The chances of that happening are like finding a needle in a haystack. Temperatures may be close to 90. And this 588 ridge just gets bigger here on the 22nd. Trough over the east, trough over the far Pacific Northwest. And with this 588 ridge over us, that means it's going to be hot. There could be a storm in the afternoon with daytime heating, but don't have chances on that happening. Temperatures possibly in the 90s by then, so a lot of hot weather ahead. So thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Friday.